Ayeyarwady River, meaning abounding in riches, is the country's largest river and most important waterway, flowing from north to south.
We've just left Bagam. We're going on a private boat tour over the Ayeyarwady River to Pakuku, and it's a beautiful day.
At first it was a bit chilly on board, but that was quickly over, and it became pleasantly warm with the sun. Every now and then we saw a small fishing boat. Otherwise there was little life along the river. At Pakuku, we changed to a car and drove to Moniwa and visited the cave temples of Pho Vinh Town, which can be seen next week. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore
and travel with us.